The election really changed everything in terms of the trajectory of the criminal cases against Donald Trump.
President-elect Donald Trump will have to wait at least another week to learn the fate of his Manhattan hush money case. After his conviction on 34 felony counts in May, Trump has yet to be sentenced, and it's unclear if he ever will be.
I think the judge is in uncharted territory, obviously, but so are the lawyers.
Trump's defense team and Manhattan prosecutors both asked the judge for a one-week pause to consider how to move forward with the case now that Trump is headed back to the White House. Judge Juan Merchan agreed to the delay.
The fact that he's now the president-elect brings into the case a whole new set of legal issues, including whether or not actually even a sentencing imposed before he takes office can actually be effectuated.
In a note to the judge, prosecutors acknowledge these are unprecedented circumstances, saying careful consideration is needed to find a balance between the jury's verdict and the presidency. Trump's attorneys want the case dismissed altogether. Cardozo law professor Jessica Roth.
I think Trump's lawyers will be arguing that any sentence that's imposed would unduly interfere with his ability to carry out his duties as president or even as president-elect.
Judge Merchan was expected to rule Tuesday on Trump's bid to have his conviction tossed after the Supreme Court's ruling over the summer on presidential immunity. Trump's re-election has only added to the questions about the future of this Manhattan case. And when it comes to the judge, former federal prosecutor Duncan Levin believes
what he's thinking about is, how do I preserve this conviction? What is the interplay once the Supreme Court gets involved? How do I make sure that I've covered my bases and I don't open myself up to criticism? These are the types of things he's thinking about.
Ayanna Harry, New York One.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Let Spectrum News be your resource for balanced, in-depth political coverage. And click the subscribe button here. You can also download our app and watch us on TV to learn more about the candidates, where they stand on the issues, and more. We'll see you then.